The reason we opened our own business is to create a company that does cabinetry at affordable prices and also that fit all the customers' needs. Every day, when I wake up, I feel like one of my goals is the customer service that we give to our clients. And so what it made us upgrade our machinery is when we came here full time. That's when we needed the production more than just getting stuff out of our doors. And that's why we partnered with Stiles Machinery. We went to the show in Pasadena, and soon after we went to check on the machine that we now have, the edge bender. Soon after, because I saw that the guys were like strangling on the table saw, trying to cut pieces 5 by 10, and it was just difficult for them. So that's what made me to buy a panel saw. That made us to do a big jump. And so far, we've been so happy because we now could do, bigger pieces at no time almost.